Hi, welcome to Green. My name is Esmeralda and I post about things that make me happy. Today I have another unboxing. This time the box is so big it doesn't fit in the screen. I actually have to show you even more of my little gaming nook. This is an unboxing of a board game that was on my wish list for many years. And the reason why is because it is a very thematic game. It's a big box game and it's a very expensive game if you want to buy it new. So of course I don't spend a lot of money on board games, or at least I try not to. And so I finally found it secondhand for a price that I was willing to pay for it. And the reason why this particular game is because it's a game that I think my husband and I are really going to enjoy. Why particularly my husband and I? Because he likes space, and this is a space themed game. Woo. But it's a heavy game. It's one of those really immersive games with a duration of maybe 2 hours, and if we are playing it, probably 3 or 4. So yeah, let's have a look. There we go. Okay, it's big. I wonder if you can guess. Probably you don't have to, because I'm probably gonna put it in the title, but anyway, there we go. It's well packaged. Thank you very much. I got this actually not from the marketplace, but I actually found this on the Board Game Geek, because this is not a game that you can easily find. Well, in the Netherlands you can't really find this on the marketplace, because I don't know, it's just not something that you just sell on marketplace. But apparently you do sell it on the Board Game Geek, and it is, oh my goodness, this looks beautiful. It's this guy never played this, or hardly. It's a Gaia project, a Terra Mystica game. Yeah, this is a spin-off of Terra Mystica. Or apparently the mechanics are similar, but the theme, of course, is different. And I think my husband is going to love this theme. Let me see if I can adjust the tripod. My camera is on. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness, this looks beautiful. This looks awesome. The box is intact. There's no dent in it, or scratch, or what. Oh my goodness, look at this. Veel plezier met Gaia. From Boy. Thank you, Boy. That is awesome. Thank you. You're too kind. Okay. The rule book is in English. Okay. As a Dutch person, I should manage. Yeah, games in English. Oh, you got some print. Automa. I think this is for solo gaming. Wow. Look at all these components. My goodness. Okay. These are the trackers for the extra points. These are extra chips, extra mechanics for extra points. These are the green planets that you need for the purple planets, to cover up the purple planets, to make them so that you can build a civilization on there. Extra point markers. And here are the miniatures. Heavy stuff. Okay. Oh, wow. These miniatures look awesome. These are like flying saucers, and these are the, oh, look at this. Oh, they look pristine. These are the planets that you can't build a civilization on. You need to make them green first. And these are the different types of planets, and you can make a board with it. They're double-sided, I think. Some of them are. Oh yeah, here. These are double-sided. Okay, and then the different aliens. Wow, this is actually sturdy stuff. Look at this one. Geodins. Gleans. Okay. These are the different factions. Ambas. Terrans. Bascots. These look cool. Okay, and here you have your knowledge track. Some of them go to from the Gaia shield to, and some of them go straight to, see, some of them go straight to level 2. I did my research. I know about this game, and I saw a lot of playthroughs, and it was on my wish list. I so very much wanted to have this game. Normally, if you have to buy this new here in the Netherlands, it will cost about 60 something euros, which is about 60 something dollars, I think. I'm not sure. And I found this on the Board Game Geek for 35 euros. And I thought that was, I'm not going to find it any cheaper anywhere very soon. So I thought now is the time to get it. I'm so happy. This really makes me happy. Thank you very much, boy. This is so funny. Veel plezier met Gaia. I will definitely enjoy this game, and now I will enjoy it double. Thank you very much. Okay, so this is what I mean with, you know, things that make me happy. And my husband and I are definitely going to enjoy this game. Lovely. Okay, if you like this type of content, and if you like my videos, and they also make you happy, please give me a thumbs up and help me grow the channel. And please subscribe, leave a comment, and tell me what kind of games make you happy. Okay, thank you. Enjoy.